Hello everyone, welcome to the itvideos.com, and if you're new to the channel and if you want to learn everything related to technology, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the updates. Alright, coming back to this video. So this video we are going to talk about semantic versioning. So this video is a continuation from my previous video where we installed a node package, and this file that we see here is package.json, and in this video I'm going to talk about the versioning that we are using in the package.json. So semantic versioning, also known as SemVer, currently is the best known and most widely adopted versioning scheme. So what this does is it uses a sequence of 3 digits: major, minor, and patch. And the breaking changes are indicated by increasing the major number, which is a high risk, and non-breaking features are incremented by the minor version, which is known as a medium risk. And all the other non-breaking changes are incremented using the patch number, which is the last number, which is the lowest risk. And to explain the semantic version much more clearly, I have this photo right here. And as you can see, the first portion of this versioning indicates the major version, the second minor version, the third is the patch version. So the first, as we can see, is the major version, which every time it is incremented, that indicates that there has been a major change, like any architectural change or any breaking change that can potentially break the application. Whereas the minor change indicates whenever there is a minor change, or let's say there's a new feature added, so on and so forth, but it does not potentially break your API. And the last version is the patch version, which is incremented every time there is a bug fix added to your existing version. So I hope you found this short video helpful to understand the semantic versioning. And just before you go, if this video has helped you in any way, shape or form, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.